The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Quick-pickled is Vietnam's answer to ceviche. Slices of absolutely fresh fish are cooked, not by heat, but by an acid cure in rice vinegar, which firms the flesh and turns it opaque. The cured fish is then tossed with quick pickled onion, minced mint and polygonum, chili, crushed peanuts, and crispy fried shallots, and the whole salad is wrapped in softened rice paper for a light, refreshing starter. It is a specialty of Vietnam's central and southern coasts. Phú Quoc's island is especially famous for its herring version, and the rolling ritual at the table is half the pleasure of eating it. Mux, 12 rolls. Preparation time, 20 minutes plus 1 hour to marinate. Cooking time, none. Fresh whitefish fillets, cut into thick slices, 1 pound. Rice vinegar or cider vinegar, 1 cup. Onion, very thinly sliced, 1. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Minced mint leaves, 1 tablespoon. Minced polygonum leaves, 1 tablespoon. Red chili, finger length, deseeded and minced, 1. Roasted unsalted peanuts, crushed, 2 tablespoons. Crispy fried shallots, 1 tablespoon. Dried rice paper wrappers, 12. Ripe starfruit, thinly sliced to garnish, 1. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Cure the fish. Pour the vinegar over the fish slices in a shallow bowl and mix well so every piece is coated. Allow to marinate at room temperature for 1 hour. The acid will turn the fish opaque and firm it slightly. This is the cooking. Quick pickle the onion. After the fish has been curing for about 30 minutes, place the thinly sliced onion in a separate bowl. Rub the sugar and salt into the onion with your fingers until well distributed and allow to marinate for 30 minutes. This softens the onion's bite and draws out its moisture. 3. Drain and dry the fish. After the full hour, drain the marinated fish slices and briefly rinse them with cold water to remove excess vinegar. Pat dry thoroughly with paper towels. 1. Squeeze and combine. Squeeze the marinated onion firmly to remove its liquid. In a mixing bowl, combine the squeezed onion with the drained fish slices, mint, polygonum, chili, peanuts, and crispy fried shallots. Mix gently but thoroughly, then divide the mixture into 12 equal portions. Cooking steps. 5. Soften the rice paper. Fill a wide, shallow bowl with warm water. Briefly dip 1 rice paper wrapper in the water until just softened. A few seconds is enough. Do not oversoak or it will tear. Remove and lay it flat on a dry surface, smoothing it gently with your fingers. 6. Fill and roll. Place 1 portion of the fish mixture along one side of the wrapper. Fold the closest edge of the wrapper over the filling, then fold in the 2 sides and roll up tightly, pressing gently to seal. Repeat with the remaining portions to make 12 rolls in total. 7. Plate and garnish. Arrange the rolls on a serving platter. Garnish with thinly sliced starfruit and serve immediately. The rice paper is best eaten fresh before it dries out.